for everyone that watches this video, I got a special offer for you. And you can only get it if you give me your phone number. So listen up. Email is a joke. Email is crazy. Now they ask you to verify your email address and give you all kinds of stuff that doesn't work. And I am getting ready to move away from email. So I'm going to make a special offer to people. Right now, the Royal Kingdom program is $1,000. But for everyone that gives me their email address, they can get it for $850. You give me $850. You give me your email address. I'll send you a link to the Royal Kingdom program for $850. This does not apply to the payment plan. This is for people who pay in full. This does not apply for the payment plan. So right now, there'll be a link below. Hit that, and I'll probably send out the email around 8 o'clock tonight with the $850 offer. Because, I'm literally disgusted with email. I remember back in the day, I would throw people on my email list and it had 90-something% open rates. Craigslist, just throwing them on the email list, Now email is just garbage. So everybody that wants a deal on the Royal Prince program, $850, one payment, go below, hit this link.